Welcome back. What we can do with the final two elements inside of the editing screens, we can go to the right side menu and we can add final polish to our document. So we're going to click on add final polish. We're then going to click on the activate button for final polish. We're going to give ChatGPT the opportunity to add final polishing to the document. Now, ordinarily, you would proofread your final document and make sure that it's consistent with what you want. However, for the sake of this video, we are going to skip that part of the process and we're going to go to the last element. Now, this is a fully optional element to add emojis. ChatGPT is going to add emojis to your document. This is not something that you should feel obligated to try or to do. If you just want to try it to determine if it's something that you want to do, you're going to click on add emojis and you're going to allow ChatGPT to add emojis throughout your document. And it's possible that once you see the emojis and how they're going to look, you may not necessarily like what you see. And if that's the case, you're going to be able to go back and restore your old document by going back in time. And that is what we are going to do. We're going to go backward in time. We're going to click on previous version. We're going to restore this version. And our version is now restored. So what we have now is our final document. You can copy the document to your word processing software, or you can close it for future use to output it into a word processing document. We're going to close out our final document. And now our document is now inside of ChatGPT. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.